Hello, kiddos! Welcome to our channel again! Let's do a healthy fruit salad! Yes, what's the fruits? We have a cutting board. Nice! Apple! Apple! Yes, got it. I'll need to. Oh, they're all sticky. Hey, go away on my. So we're cutting those. Wee. Nobody needs this. Here. I like bananas and strawberries. No, Lulu. Okay, I'm done. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where's the sticky? Going. Going bananas. Going bananas. Banana. Strawberries. Okay, I'm done with the strawberry. Oh my god. Great! Let's do the red one first. Stop eating! Oh my god. Orange! Like this. Ew. So nasty in there. It's not nasty, I mean. Here, the one left. What? Mango! Yeah. Look. Yeah. Mango. Cats! Kenya! Give me! You filled the whole cup. You're going to fill the whole cup? Give me! Yummy.